Let's start by drawing a big round body. Add 2 large eyes, a small beak in the middle, and 2 wings on the sides. Don't forget some little feather patterns on the belly. Now color the L brown. The wings can be a lighter brown and the beak yellow. The eyes stay white with black circles. Perfect! Our owl looks wise and calm, ready to watch the night. Great job, you made a clever owl friend. First, draw a tall triangle for the squid's head. Add 2 big eyes and a smiley face. Then, draw 6 to 8 wiggly arms at the bottom. Now, color the squid purple or pink. The cheeks can be a darker pink, and the eyes white with black dots. Wonderful! Our squid looks funny and playful, ready to swim deep in the sea. Well done, you made a happy squid friend!